From the Book of Mysteries, we have day 223, the momentum key. We were standing in the middle of a small plain when he gave me an unexpected directive. Jump, said the teacher. Not up and down, but forward. Jump forward as far as you can. So I did. It was nothing impressive, just a few feet. The teacher drew 2 lines, the first where I started and the second where I landed. Now go back as far as you want, run as fast as you're able, and jump as far as you can. So I did. The second jump was far more impressive than the first. Why was your last jump so much farther than your first? One word, momentum. When an archer wants to shoot an arrow, he must first pull the arrow back on his bow. When an angry mob wants to force open a castle door with a battering ram, they must first back away from the door and then run into it. They all, in some way, move back in order to gain momentum. Without momentum, the jumper won't jump, the arrow won't shoot, and the castle doors won't open. And what is true in the physical realm is also true in the spiritual. If you're going to have a breakthrough in the physical realm, you need to have physical momentum. If you're going to have breakthroughs in the spiritual realm, you need to have spiritual momentum. But how do you translate a physical law into a spiritual realm? In order to build physical momentum, you need continuous, consistent motion. If the angry mob stops on the way to the castle door, then starts up again, they lose their momentum, and the door won't open. In the same way, if you're not consistent in your walk with God, if you waver back and forth, if you stop and start and stop and start again, if you have no continuous motion, you'll lose spiritual momentum, and you'll never accomplish what you were called to do, or see the blessings and breakthroughs you are meant to see. So make it your aim now to become all the more consistent, continuous, and unwavering in your walk, in your righteousness, in your purity, in your prayers, in your worship, in your joy, in your love, and in your holiness. This will give you spiritual momentum. Then go with the momentum and increase it. Allow it to bring you to higher ground, and the doors will open, the walls will come down, and you will live a life of victory, power, and breakthrough you are always called to live. The mission today: apply the momentum key. Avoid wavering, avoid stopping, move in consistent godly motion into breakthrough. 1 Corinthians 9:24-27, Philippians 3:13-14, and Hebrews 12:1-2. Thank you.